Hello kids, this video will teach you what are verbs. Welcome to Poison Pose. Look at the pictures. What does this picture denote? Play. Write. Walk. These words describe an action or talk about something that happens. Words that show what people and things are doing are called verbs. In other words, verbs are action words or doing words. Now let us look at a few examples. I walk to school every day. In this sentence, what is the action done? Walking to school. Yes, that's right. So the word walk is a verb. Next example. The train runs on rails. In this sentence, the word runs is an action. It is a verb. Another example, the fish swims in the sea. So the action performed here is swimming. So the word swims is a verb. Some verbs end with ing. I like cooking. The word cooking is a verb. The kids are watching television. The word watching is a verb. Nina is studying English. The word studying is a verb. Shall we check our understanding? Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate verb from the box. Question number 1. I dash an apple every day. Play, eat, or sing. Eat. I eat an apple every day. Question number 2. Paul dash at 9 p.m. See, sleeps, dance. Your answer is sleeps. Paul sleeps at 9 p.m. Question number 3. Alex dash his new shoes. Likes, sleeps, plays. Your answer is likes. Alex likes his new shoes. Question number 4. I dash when I am happy. Cry, eat, smile. Your answer is smile. I smile when I am happy. Question number 5. Sam can dash high, jog, jump, laugh. Your answer is jump. Sam can jump high. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it with your friends, post your valuable comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Poison Post. Meet you all in another video.